Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get an overdraft in Monzo. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your mobile application or your website application for Monzo, just like I have done right here. Now, next thing I'm going to show you how to create an account on Monzo if you're new to Monzo. Launch in a browser of your choice. At the top corner, you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, type monzo.com, and that's going to take you to the official website, which of course is showing right here on your screen. The top right corner, you're going to find the search bar in the website. Click on that. You're going to see so top right corner, you're going to find sign up button. Click on that and then follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. Now, I'd like you to know that if you do not reside in the UK, then you will not be able to create a Monzo account because Monzo is restricted to UK residents only. So not all of us have the luxury of creating a Monzo account, but we have the knowledge needed to put you through the process of exploring the features or getting good at all the features in Monzo. That is why we have created this video to help you through with this process on how to request or how to get an overdraft in Monzo. Now, here's it. We decide if we can offer you an overdraft when you sign up. So that's up to Monzo. So once you open the Monzo current account, they're going to take a look at your credit file to help them decide whether they can lend to you. Now, this is known as a soft search, and they're going to show up on your credit report as a quotation search or administration review. So lenders can see this information, so it won't affect the chances of getting credits. Lenders cannot see this information, so you can turn overdraft on in the app. So there are a lot of features that you cannot do in the web application except you do that using the mobile application. Now, if we can offer you an overdraft after they have gone through all of the search, and then you can switch it on when you sign up. So that's how it works, or you can follow these steps to turn it on later. So this is how you can, that's if they can offer you. You're going to tap the home icon in the menu bar. Where is the menu bar? Now, once you open up you launch your application, at the bottom corner of your screen, you're going to see a few icons, which is the menu bar. And then one of them is the home icon. Home icon is usually the first. So click on home. And then once you click on home, you're going to see your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture. And then once you tap on the profile picture, scroll all the way down to where you find your account. Click on your account. And once you do that, tap learn about overdraft, which you're going to see if you're not eligible. If you're not eligible, tap learn about overdraft to see if you're eligible. And then if you are eligible and you're sure that you're eligible, tap set up an overdraft. Now, once you click on set up an overdraft, the next thing you're going to see is manage your overdraft. So click on manage your overdraft. All right, if you already have one. So 3 options. Number 1, learn about overdraft. If you're not eligible, you're going to see set up an overdraft. If you're eligible, you're sure that you can, and then click on manage your overdraft if you already have one. But in this sense, what you're going to click on is set up an overdraft. And once you set up your overdraft, that's it. You can now choose your limit. The next steps or the next processes are going to be self-explanatory, so you have absolutely nothing to worry about. So choose your own limit. And how do you choose your own limit? You can choose how much overdraft you would like within the amount they can offer, and then you can change this amount at any time in the application or switch it off entirely. Now, fees for using your overdraft. When using an arranged overdraft, Monzo is going to charge you interest on the amount you are overdrawn. So you have the EAR, which is the effective annual rate that Monzo offers you to depend on your TransUnion credit score. So if you want to read more about this, you can just click on learn about fees, all right, to learn more about that. But this is exactly how you can go about requesting or getting an overdraft. Click on the home icon and then click on your profile picture, scroll down, click on your account, and then click on set up an overdraft. Follow through the processes and you'll be good to go. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.